Hi guys, Chef Marcus back into action. Today I am coming along with a brand new episode called Manchurian Chicken. Now the recipe for Manchurian Chicken is here I am taking 500 gram of boneless chicken and 100 grams of flour, 25 grams of cornstarch, half teaspoon of pepper powder and half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of chili powder to get little spice. And this is a non-vegetarian item, that's why I am adding 1 egg in it and 2 tablespoon dark soya sauce. I add 1 egg in it and 2 tablespoons of dark soya sauce. Now I am going to mix this one. This is for marination for the Manchurian chicken fry. You already see the vegetable Manchurian. There I am not adding egg. Egg is a coating agent and flour also act as a coating agent and cornstarch also act as a binding agent. Now the mix is ready for frying. Hi, the oil is ready of 375 degree Fahrenheit. Now I am going to fry the marinated chicken pieces for chicken Manchurian. You want to make each piece separate like the chicken nuggets or like chicken pakoda. You want to put every pieces individually, don't allow to stick down together. It will take almost 3 to 4 minutes to have done. Rest procedure will done in the gravy. Thank you for your patience. Chicken Manchurian's thick gravy is ready. This is the consistency for that gravy. Now I am going to add the fried chicken nuggets or pakoda for the Manchurian. When the coated chicken will absorb the gravy, it will come thicker when it is finished. Now I am going to stop the stove and want to garnish this one. I am going to dish out the dish. This is chicken Manchurian, a Hakka Chinese item. Anybody can make it home. The gravy is thick like this with the gravy. Hi, this is the final look of my chicken Manchurian. Till up to coming with a new episode, Chef Marcus signing off.